Welcome to this quick guide on setting up an unread folder in Telegram's latest update for PC. If you're tired of scrolling through endless chats to find unread messages, this feature will save you time and keep your conversations organized. Let's dive into the steps. First, open the Telegram app on your computer. If you haven't updated to the latest version, make sure to do that first. Once you're in, look at the left-hand menu where all your chats and folders are listed. Here's where the magic happens. Next, locate the small edit icon near the top of this menu. It looks like a pencil or a similar editing symbol, depending on your theme. Click it, and you'll see options to customize your chat folders. This is where Telegram lets you create categories to filter messages exactly how you want. Now, find the unread option in the list. Right next to it, you'll notice an Add button. Click it, and Telegram will automatically generate a folder dedicated to unread messages. But we're not done yet. Let's fine-tune it. After adding the unread folder, you can customize what it includes. By default, it'll show messages from all chat types, but you might want to exclude certain categories. For example, you can choose to hide muted or archived chats to keep the list focused. To do this, click the three-dot menu beside your new unread folder and select Edit. In the settings, you'll see checkboxes for muted and archived under the Exclude section. Tick these if you want to filter them out. You can also manually include or exclude specific chats, but the default settings usually work well for most users. Once you're happy, hit Save to lock in your preferences. Finally, drag and drop the unread folder to the top of your menu for instant access. Now, whenever you open Telegram, your unread messages will be front and center. No more digging through channels, groups, or personal chats. And that's it. With just a few clicks, you've streamlined your Telegram experience. This unread folder is perfect for staying on top of important messages without the clutter. Try it out and let us know in the comments how it works for you. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful, and subscribe for more tips on mastering Telegram's features. Thanks for watching, and happy messaging.